Are you ready? Are you ready? Yes, I am. Yes, I am. I am ready. I am ready. Yes, I am. Yes, I am. Are you ready to bond your numbers with me? Are you ready to find out what and what make what? Yes, you are. Today we are going to bond the numeral 5. Now, my bright babies, show me 5 fingers. Whoosh! Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, you love your teacher. I want you to throw me 5 kisses. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, are you able to identify the numeral 5 for me? Is this the numeral 5? No, it's not. Is this the numeral 5? No, it's not. Is this the numeral 5? No, it's not. Is this the numeral 5? Yes, this is the numeral 5. And we are going to find out how many ways we can make 5. Get your plates ready. Get your counters ready. Counters up. And we're going to find out now how many times we can make 5. So I have my counters ready. I'm going to put 2 over here. And I am going to put 3 over there. I wonder if that's 5. Let's find out. Pull them down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, it is. Counters up again. I'm going to put 4 over there. 1 over there. I wonder if that's the numeral 5. Is this 5? This is 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It is. I'm going to put 5 over here and none over there. 0. 5 and 0 makes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 3 and 2 more gives us 5. 1 and 4 gives us 5. And 5 and 0 gives us 5. Now, I have a worksheet here for you. And there are some sentences on it. The first sentence reads, 2 and 1 makes. You're going to use your plate and you're going to bond 2 and 1 in your plate. Find the answer and circle it. The second one, 2 and 3 make. Use your plate. Put 2 on one side, 3 on one side, and you're going to complete this activity sheet for me. Thank you, my little ones, and have fun bonding your numbers. See you later.